Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete Tinder account permanently, and here's how it is done. First, open the Tinder app on your phone. Deleting your account is the same process for both Android and iPhone users. Once you're on the homepage of your Tinder account, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. From there, click the settings icon in the top right corner of your profile. Next, scroll all the way down in the settings menu until you reach the bottom, where you'll find the option to delete your account. If you want to delete your account permanently, tap Delete Account. If you prefer to take a break but keep your account, you can pause it instead by choosing the Pause My Account option. But for now, since we are deleting the account, select Delete My Account. You'll be prompted to choose a reason for leaving Tinder. If you don't find your reason listed, you can select Other. I'm going to choose I want a fresh start, and then select I want to reset my matches. Afterward, click Continue to Account Deletion. You'll see a message letting you know that by typing Delete My Account, you will lose access to your profile, messages, photos, and matches. Keep in mind, your account deletion will be delayed for 90 days for safety reasons. If you log back in during that time, the deletion process will be cancelled. If you are sure you want to delete your account, don't log in again within the next 90 days. To confirm, click Delete My Account. You'll be logged out automatically. And that's everything you need to know about how to delete Tinder account permanently. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.